Hey, show off your math skills. An easy but hard to get right problem awaits. Let's do this. What's the answer to this math? Finish it in 20 seconds, and you might be a math star. Try solving this problem now. Simplifying makes the problem faster and simpler. The numerator and denominator must be connected by multiplication, and you can cross out the same number. The erased number becomes 1. Solve another problem like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.